this is Beam. So when you open up Beam, you get a terminal, right? But you can open up a new project. So when you start a new project, what you get is a working directory, which you can change if you'd like. And then we set a project-specific memory file on disk to your user directory. This is to contain an MD file, so it's a README. It contains the progress and updates when you hit checkpoints. And the benefit of this, as I'll show in a moment, is you can hop between different types of agents. So you can use Cloud Code, Codex, just a clean terminal if you want, or a custom command for advanced users. A lot of beginners will just start with Cloud Code. So what we do is just start the agent for the user, make it very easy. And here, when we install project memory, what we're doing is basically just injecting this memory file. So to start, we just say when it was created, and this is a project memory. I can show you an example of another project. So if we come into Beam, literally building Beam with Beam, if we install the project memory and preview this, we can see here that I have quite a bit of memory built up from all of the learnings during the duration of the development of this app so far. So if I were to install this, it would just inject the prompt into a Cloud Code session. So for instance, I can right click Start AI Agent in Cloud Code, or I can come up to the AI Agent button and click my favorite agent. I'll start here. And then when I install, it's going to inject the prompt. It's going to say, before we begin, please read and load the project memory file at the user file directory with this project specific memory file, the MD file, for full project context, conventions, and prior decisions. So I'm going to press enter here. And basically what's cool about this is if you're familiar with using very long sessions, these agents start to get laggy. Sometimes they break down, they glitch, this and that. So I've learned to be surgical, and I work in checkpoints, checkpoint to checkpoint. So this is cool because now I'm right into a new Cloud Code session. It has full awareness of where I'm at right now. I'm currently on version 3.0.4. This is an Electron app. I previously had a Swift native app. I've retired that. It's a legacy app. It's aware of my deployment process for getbeam.dev, where the app is living. It's aware of the whole CI/CD pipeline, the licensing system that I've set up, my cloud functions on GCP, the keychain for signing on the iOS side, the critical rules that I've set from learning from debugging, the version management process that I have in place, etc., and it's ready to go. Now, what's cool with Beam is that you can set up multiple windows. Let's say I wanted to start a Codex agent, and again, I wanted to install the project memory. I can do that if I'd like. Generally though, the way I work on this is I work on one project at a time and one thread at a time. I think moving forward, I'm going to expand this out to have multi-threading. That would be a cool upcoming feature. But this just shows that you can set up multiple agents like this, multiple windows. You can rename any of the tabs, any of the windows, whatever you'd like. But as you can see, the vision here is just to organize terminals for the user, make agentic coding and development fun and simple, and when possible, provide a GUI for the user. And then once we work on an update, you can save back the project memory to that same file so that in another checkpoint, you can beam back into it. So this so far is Beam. I think in the future, I'm also going to introduce templates for like OpenClaw and these other popular frameworks for further agentic coding. But the idea is to make the coolest and most enjoyable IDE on Earth in the AI era. Thank you.